boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, and I'm back with another video for you guys, man. Listen, I don't want to be too long. I just wanted to come here and talk about the exclusive access that will be happening on Finishline soon, bruh. That way I can get y'all prepared and all that good stuff. But if this is your first time rocking out with your boy, man, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and also like and share the video. It does help to get the video out there so that more people can come over here and get the information that your boy be dropping. We are on the road to 5K subscribers this year, man, and with y'all help, I know we can go ahead and get there. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. Now, starting off, bro, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about the exclusive access for Finishline, as well as a few raffles where you could put in for the Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder, man. If y'all caught the video from yesterday, I will leave a card somewhere up here. I've done a review on the Court Purple 13s, and Dick's Sporting Goods was giving out wristbands, and your boy was able to go ahead and secure a wristband. That way I'm guaranteed a pair on release date. And I will bring y'all the review once I'm able to get that sneaker in hand. You dig what I'm saying? Now, when it comes to this exclusive access, man, for Finishline, normally, if your store normally gets like exclusive releases, as far as general exclusive releases, like, for instance, if your store around your neighborhood got the white reverse Oreo 4s, the bread 4s, the what the 4s, what else, man, the lightning 4s. Normally, if your store around your area, you got them type of sneakers, bruh, you should be getting this shoe, right? Now, in order to get this exclusive access, you have to be a A-list member, man. Meaning, you have to have enough points. And in order to get points, you got to spend money. Now, taking the Court Purple 13, for example, right? Even though a lot of people don't have that sneaker on their radar, man, it still would have been a nice cop for you to get, just to gain those points for a sneaker that you really do want, man. You know what I'm saying? Or you don't have to buy no sneakers at all. You can go ahead and buy joggers, t-shirts, socks, and all that other kind of stuff, brother, build up your points as well. But you need to be an A-list member in order to get exclusive access, man. There are rumors that they will be giving exclusive access tomorrow on Finishline, man. I don't know how good that is, man. Like I said, that's just rumors. But I know that we will be getting it sometime next week, man. It may be tomorrow, it may be Tuesday, it may be Wednesday. But regardless of whatever day it may be, you need to have those notifications on, bruh. That way you notified when this sneaker is gonna have exclusive access on Finishline. So if you want to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, man, all of that is down in the description below. That way I can keep you updated on when it take place, you know what I mean? So make sure you follow me on my other social media platforms as well. But let's go ahead and get into other places that will be raffling off this, man. When it comes to this sneaker, the Flex app just opened up their reservations. Well, half of the Flex app. Champ Sports got reservations for men in grade school size, and I think preschools and toddlers as well. Kids Foot Locker got grade schools and smaller sizes, and I don't think East Bay or Foot Action has their reservations open yet. Hibbett's ought to be doing theirs sometime either later today or maybe tomorrow. You can bet for sure that I think Ends Clothing got theirs going on, but they will have it at Feature, as well as Jimmy Jazz and DTL Aura, man. What else? S&S, man. These places will be putting out their raffles here soon. Social Status, Sneaker Politics, you know what I'm saying? So if you really want this sneaker, man, you got multiple retailers that will be doing raffles on this sneaker, man. And if put in for as many raffles as you can, you know what I'm saying? Long as you don't put one that actually take your money if you're not trying to hit on more than one pair, you understand? So that being said, man, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you love the information that I gave y'all. I hope you use it. And if you already know about all this stuff, you know, this video not for you, bruh. This is for people who don't have no clue about what's going on with these apps and whatnot, man. And if you do know what's going on and you enjoyed this video, man, please comment below. Let me know what you think about it. If you're going after this sneaker, is it on your radar or whatnot? Because as you can see, man, the resale value is up, like the mid 300s, up lower 400s, man. And we already know that the price will fluctuate once the sneaker is actually released. But if you do your history and your backgrounds on all fours that drop, man, you know, they will climb back up over time, man. It all depends on how long you're willing to hold this sneaker, man. But y'all have a blessed day. Hope you enjoyed the video, man. So until next time, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, man. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next. Peace.